How to log into Costco Citi Card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Costco Citi Card login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, citi.com. After you open it, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now over here, you will find this option of sign on. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. So go ahead and type in your credentials. Firstly, type in the user ID and then type in the password. In the case you want to save your login info, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option and create your account. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign on, and with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into Costco Citi Card online account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.